My name is Sean Van Someren. I'm the Executive Director and Founder of the Santa Cruz, California-based Pelagic Shark Research Foundation. One of the things our foundation did back in the early 90s was establish a stranding and collecting unit that would respond to reports of beach, trapped, or stranded sharks and fishes. One of the things that we've consistently come across over the years are these salmon sharks, which periodically strand on the beaches. They were often misidentified as white sharks or mako sharks and just kind of left on the beach. And just this year, 2012, we published a paper to which I'm a co-author on that identifies the carnobacterium that's getting them infected. The eyes are very well developed. They have a very complicated setup with lots of rods and cones for color and contrast. There's a very strong tapetum behind the eye. It's mirror eyes, reflects light. They're very visual, acute predators. They have very keen eyesight like a bird of prey. They actually can poke their heads above the water and look around, which is another thing that's kind of peculiar to the lamnids. In addition to the keen sense of smell, that electromagnetic sensory organ, and their good eyesight, they have this lateral line system that runs along the length of the body on either side, and it just feels vibrations in the water. Primary keel, caudal keel, it's a cutwater. It helps the tail blast through the water at high rates of speed and reduces the drag. As well, that breaks, causes a cavitation. It's just to help facilitate the water flowing off the shark, and actually can be controlled to very minute degrees with this little trim tab. And this secondary caudal keel is a signature feature for the salmon sharks. They're the only ones that have that secondary keel. All the lamnids have this really strong primary or first keel, but that secondary keel is a peculiarity of this species. So if you see that, you know it's a salmon shark. This is a juvenile. It's probably less than 2 years, more than a year old, I'm guessing. And they get several, 400, 500 pounds. They get much larger than this. Females get larger than the males, because they have to carry the cargo of the young. There's reports of them being, 10 feet long and several hundred pounds. A 400 pounder is considered big.